Bao Buns have taken the world by storm, and now it's time to bring them to your home. Enter School of Wok's Bao Bun Kits, the first ever make-your-own Bao Kit, and all it takes is 30 minutes. I started School of Wok in 2009, teaching people in their own homes. It was just like a mobile cookery school. And then my business partner Nev joined me, and we stepped foot here in the School of Wok premises in 2012. We've grown from 2 to 12 people in 6 years, and we've taught over 60,000 students in School of Wok itself. We all love our cookery school, but now we're branching out into grocery products. We've created our meal kits to take authentic Asian cooking to the masses, to the world. So how do they work? School of Wok Bao Kits are awesome. We've taken the rising time from 2 hours to just 10 minutes. They're super easy to make. You've got a pickling salt, you've got your dry rub, you've got your glaze, and it's done. Simple as that. Most importantly, they're really fun to make. Our kits may be new, but they're already award-winning. We've got the backing of 2 major UK supermarkets, and we've got over 70,000 YouTube subscribers. We know we have potential. However, we're actually only in 2.85% of UK supermarkets, so we need your help to get us from where we are to where we want to be. Honestly, we need far more than £35,000, but overfunding, guys, is not an issue. We've got loads of prizes and rewards on offer. Anything from a hamper full of bao goodies, or get your name on the Wok Star Wall of Fame. Or even a private cookery class for 12 people with TV chef and Asian cooking extraordinaire, Jeremy Pang. Wait, that's me. Can't say that. This will only work if you spread the word. You know how these things start. One guy tells another guy something, and he tells 2 friends, and they tell 2 friends, and they tell their friends, and so on, and so on, and so on. You know how these things work. So come on guys, get involved with the pledges. We're a small team who want to bring baos to your world. It's about time to go global.
I can't do that because I missed out a word.
Is that right?
I've made some tiny matchsticks. There they are, look.
I don't want to.
School of Wok.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, no.
I don't know where to go with this.
Maybe. Just step back a little.
Got it?
No. I don't know if I've got the pizzazz yet though,
No,
so...
I can see. Do you want me to do that?
Did you pull your hat up? It's because it's about done.